Welcome to this technical overview of our latest RIP software release, version 13. Let's discover the main new features together. The new Print and Cut Mirror feature has been designed to provide more flexibility when it comes to advanced print and cut applications. Indeed, Cut Mirror dynamically flips either the design, the registration marks, or the cut file depending on the application. This feature mostly speeds up the print and cut production on sublimated and transparent medias. By going to the Cut tab inside the Print module, you will find the new Cut Mirror feature. 4 new methods are available, and each one depends on your chosen application, either for sublimation or backlit production. Let's see how it works. This method is recommended for most of the sublimation applications. Usually, the print is transferred before the cut process, meaning that the design and the cut marks are flipped. However, the cut instruction is sent to the cutter unmirrored. This next method is made for production workflow that requires the transfer paper to be cut before the transfer process, meaning that the design is mirrored before the transfer paper printing, unlike the cut marks. The cut instruction is also flipped to achieve the expected result. This mode is recommended for printing on transparent substrates such as PMMA. As you can see, the design and the cut marks are mirrored. The cut file is not mirrored, meaning that the cut process is performed from the front side, where nothing is printed. Unlike the previous methods, the cutback method flips the design, not the registration marks. This allows the material to be cut from the back side, which is printed. In version 13, Tiling Plus allows you to choose the order of your tiles before exporting a poster. This new feature dramatically speeds up the tiles mounting process, especially when it comes to very large projects such as blueback applications. Let's see how it works. While creating the poster, you can select the tile order by choosing between 12 different combinations, depending on your applications. Here's a recap on how the 12 methods work. Before exporting the tiles, you can also add an identification number for easier viewing in the image bar. Each tile name will contain an identification number based on the tile order you've already specified. This also makes for easier searching in the spooler. Optimize your web-to-print workflow with the new Alpha to Spot feature. Usually, most of the files coming from a web shop are submitted to the RIP software as PNG files. A PNG contains an alpha channel which defines some transparent area. CalderaRIP software is now able to use this alpha channel information in an automatic mode with Halt Folder and Workflow to map the design area to a spot ink channel, such as white, varnish, or any special ink manageable by the RIP. Let's have a closer look. When opening a PNG file containing a transparent background, simply activate the Alpha to Spot option from the FileMan settings. Here, we are going to map the alpha channel to the white ink channel. As you can see, in the print module, the alpha channel is well recognized by the RIP and is dynamically replaced by white ink. Version 13 also provides a brand new version of CalderaJobs, reachable from Caldera Dock. This clean new interface allows you to archive either individual jobs or complete job queues. Easily find the jobs to save or archive by using the search bar. Then click the action you want to perform. Save will archive the job while keeping it in the spooler. Archive will archive the job, then remove it from the spooler. Delete will simply remove the job. Here, we are going to archive all the jobs coming from the print server CalderaJet1. These jobs can be archived in a remote server, allowing you to free up local disk storage while being able to reprint the exact same print campaign at any time. It's also possible to include the ripped files in the archive if needed. To restore jobs, simply search for the remote archive and load it in CalderaJobs. CalderaJobs also acts as a monitoring interface. Like the current spooler, you can track the activity and progression of jobs depending on their status. The new Annotation module allows you to switch between 3 types of comments. Use the standard mode to print the basic file information below the design area. The More Details option prints advanced information like linearization or ink limit percentages. Custom only prints your customized comments, which saves you more space on the media. It is still possible to choose specific tags by selecting it from the list. Thanks for watching this technical overview. We hope you enjoy the new version 13 features.